Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains the Airtasker app and whether it's worth using. Quick disclaimer. This is an explained review based on user feedback and online data, not personal use or a visual demo. Airtasker is a task outsourcing platform designed to help users get everyday jobs done by connecting them with local taskers. It allows you to post tasks such as cleaning, repairs, deliveries, garden work, assembling furniture, and even skilled freelance services. Once a task is posted, taskers can make offers, set their pricing, and communicate with you directly through the app. Airtasker is available on both iOS and Android and uses secure in-app payments along with user reviews and verification to ensure safer hiring. The app's main feature is its task posting system. You describe the job, set your budget, and choose from offers made by available taskers. You can check profiles, ratings, completion history, and skills before assigning the task. Airtasker also supports real-time updates, photo sharing, and transparent communication to help you manage the task from start to finish. If you found this video helpful so far, drop a like. Let's talk about how it performs in actual use. Many users appreciate its flexibility, the wide range of available services, and the ability to find help quickly without long-term commitments. The review and rating system helps users pick reliable taskers, and competitive pricing often makes tasks more affordable compared to traditional services. However, there are some drawbacks. Service quality can vary depending on the tasker, and high demand times may result in slower responses or fewer offers. Some users also feel that fees can add up, especially for larger tasks. Additionally, as a gig-based platform, reliability depends heavily on individual taskers' professionalism. In summary, the Airtasker app may be worth using if you want an easy, flexible way to hire help for errands, home services, and quick jobs without long-term contracts. However, if you prefer consistent professional service providers or want fixed pricing with guaranteed standards, it might not be the best option for you. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. For inquiries, contact the email address stated in the description.